Hi everyone, I'm going to make another really quick Roku video. With the Roku remote, at least the ones that came with mine, I've had it for a while, it does not have a mute button, and that is so maddening. And that's one of the reasons that you eat batteries like crazy. Now, I want to talk specifically today about the stick, although there are alternative remotes. You can find them on Amazon and everywhere that will work for every device, but many of them, because I was just going to order one off Amazon. They don't have it usually in the title until you search into the description, and it says will not work with Roku stick, will not work with Roku stick. So what you have to do is I've got this new remote, and it looks just like the old one. Some of the bottom buttons are different, but it's just like your old remote. Now there's some that have a bunch of other extra buttons and programmable buttons, and I was not able to find any that worked with the Roku stick. So if you're using Roku stick and you want one with the mute button, the newer, I guess it's the newer ones just from their company, but it's right there on the side. There's a second button and there will be a mute button. So you have your regular up and down on the side, and then you have this mute button. I wanted to run through and just show you how, once you get it, it does come with directions, but if you just wanted to watch a video. So the first thing you're going to do is press and hold your home screen button. And then a prompt will come up, and it's saying, select the device to set up. It's a little bit of glare, but it'll say that. So you say, yes, the remote, and then next you go over complete. Now, this is the tricky part. This newer one, at least the one I get, and the one I'm going to link to in the description, you have to look where that little tiny thing is. It's hard to see on camera, but you see what I'm talking about. This one has it down below, and above the microphone. That's the little microphone. So that's important. So the default is this one, but the one that I'm going to link to that works with the stick and has the mute button, you're going to go over here and select that. And then there's a pull tab. Yeah, when you get it, there's for the batteries, you have to do that. And then it's just going to go ahead. I think the rest of it is pretty much automated here. Yeah. Okay, I think it's not working right for me because I have already, it's telling me to press these two together, which I can't do one-handed. But when you're doing it, I'm going to go back to home screen right now, or back out of here. But when you're doing it for the first time, after that point where it's talking about pressing those buttons, you don't have to do that. At least in my case, you didn't. And if you do have to do it, you won't be holding a camera in one hand, so you'll be able to do it. But in my case, from there, it was just completely automated on the initial setup. See, I've already set it up. That's why it's a little different for me this time. But I wanted to just show you. It's deceiving because I thought it was just the same remote I had because it looks exactly like the old remote. But there is that one shining difference, the beautiful remote, mute button, which I swear, that's why we go through so many batteries, constantly turning the volume up and down, up and down. So, that mute button was something that's sorely missed. I do believe this is an official Roku product, but I will be linking it in the description below. So if you were looking for one, it's really tricky. There's a lot of them out there, but many will not work with the stick. For sure, this one works. Even though it looks like the old one, minus the bottom, some of these buttons are different. There is this additional feature that you can't really see, but it's there, and that's that beautiful mute button. I guess I could show you through here. See, I hit that, and it's muted and off. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. There's a link below in the description to this specific remote because there's so many different kinds out there. So if you're looking for it, there will be a link below. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.